We're videoing the buggers. They're okay. They're annoying fuckers. They're rude. They're loud. There's 4 of them, and the cat takes increasingly long breaks away from them because she's like, oh fuck this. So yeah. What are you up to?
Ooh, little kitten
Yeah,
emerges. Oh,
I am going to start working on our notes for the game for Saturday, but Robin's kind of bored. We sent off our clothing to the laundry, so we have nothing to wear for the next couple of days. So it's going to be kind of a...
hanging around naked here. We're just wearing cat now.
Nah, we should be alright. You should come on over. You should have come yesterday. We had a small barbecue. I barbecued potatoes. Robin said it wouldn't work.